This is a 10-minute relaxing bedtime routine which you can decide whether you want to do on your bed or on your mat on the floor. Before we begin, we'll have around 90 seconds to settle in with a short relaxation. This is your time to shift gears and let go of any tension and just fully arrive in the moment. So as you breathe, I invite you to set an intention for your practice, whether it's rest, ease, or simply showing up for yourself today. Settle into a comfortable position with your knees bent, feet flat onto the floor or onto their surface. Wiggle about as much as you need to get comfy. Soften your eyebrows, relax your jaw. Allow the center of your chest to feel at ease. Allow your shoulders to settle into their surface, unburdened, soft and relaxed. There's no rush, just a gentle ebb and flow of ease, opening, softening. Soften the space around your belly. Allow your diaphragm to loosen. With each full breath, feel this area expand with ease and release effortlessly. Feel the support beneath your hips, holding you with ease. If your mind drifts to the future, or if it lingers in the past, gently bring yourself back to where your feet make contact with the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to settle here, grounded and present, ready to begin your movement practice. Push your left leg long and then bring your right leg over your hip with the knee bent. Allow your lower leg to relax, and you're going to take hold of your leg in a way that feels most supportive, most comfortable for you. And then, once you found that, we're going to begin to circle the thigh bone over the hip joint in towards the midline, down and around. We're going to do this 5 times. After the 5th circle, we're going to change direction. So this time thigh bone goes out to the side, down around past the midline and back up top again. Think about full circles with that thigh bone right over the hip joint. Keep the breath nice and even and let go of any unnecessary tension in your shoulders. And once you're done with these 5, you're going to gently hug the leg in towards the chest. And we'll do the same with the left leg. So now we've got the right leg long, left thigh. We bring the thigh over the hip, lower leg is nice and relaxed. And we're going to circle towards the midline first of all, down and around. I'm just showing you a different option here for how you might want to hold the leg. Whichever one works for you, go for it. But also bear in mind that sometimes one side wants something different to the other. So after 5 circles in this direction, we're going to reverse, circle the thigh bone out to the side, down and around. Keeping the breath nice and even. Full circles, making sure we're drawing the top of the circle with our thigh bone as well. And just trying to keep both sides of the waist as evenly lengthened as you can. From here, now we're hugging both legs in towards the body. Keep your hips and your tailbone as close to the surface as you can, and we're going to hug both knees into the body 5 times. We hug the knees in and then release the knees roughly back over the hips, and then we hug them in again. So this 5th one, we're going to bring ourselves to lie down on our left side. So turning onto your left, you're going to bring your knees as close to your body as you possibly can. Top arm reaches long, so that right arm reaches long, long, long across the surface. You're going to bring that top arm up and you're going to rotate the spine backwards as that arm reaches out behind you. And then you're rotating forward again. We've got 3 of these, so 2 more. As you're rotating, try and keep your thumb roughly in alignment with the center of your throat. We'll have the knees nice and close to our chest because that helps us create a lovely rounding into the lower spine. And we're also trying to keep that lower body nice and still and just have the mid to upper spine rotating. That's 3 on that side. From here, you're going to bring yourself back onto your back and you're going to hug your right thigh into your body and we're going to move the ankle. So just circle the foot in one direction. Nice full circles. And then we're also going to change direction. Circle foot in the other direction. From here, reach your right arm out to the side and you're going to draw that right thigh, that bent leg, across your midline over to your left, just as far as you want to take it, drawing it down with that left hand. Try and keep that right shoulder blade attached to its surface, so try not to lift the right shoulder off the floor. Hug the thigh in towards you. And we're going to do those same 2 movements on the left leg, and then we're going to do our rotations on the other side. So hugging that left thigh in towards the body, and then we start to circle back into our ankle circles, circling in one direction. And then we circle other direction. Left arm reaches out to the side. That right thigh, we're going to just draw it across the body. Left shoulder staying down onto its surface. Finding our rotation just to wherever feels good. And then bringing ourselves back into center. And we're now going to do the rotations on the other side. So lying down onto our right side. Remember, knees as close to the body as possible so we get that lovely rounding into that lower portion of the spine that I'm showing you here. Left arm reaches out long and then we rotate back. Try and keep the hip bones facing forward. Arm comes forward, spine rotates forward. 2 more. Rotating back, try and find that alignment, thumb to roughly the center of the throat. And rotating forward again. Last one here. And bringing the arm forward. Nice. Okay, so now it's time for our final relaxation. Grab a pillow for underneath your head. You can also, if you want to, pop a pillow underneath your knees. And if it is your bedtime, you can even bring yourself under your blankets and actually get settled in for bed here. Find a comfortable position. We've got about a minute's worth of relaxation here. So you're going to take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you settle into stillness, bring your awareness to the gentle support beneath you. Notice how the fabric cradles your body, how it drapes around you, holding you with ease. There's no effort needed, just the quiet presence of softness beneath you. Feel the air around you, how it feels against your skin. It may feel cool, or maybe it's warm, but it's always present, wrapping around you like a cocoon. Allow your attention to drift to your face as you relax your eyebrows, soften your closed eyelids, relax your jaw and your throat. Bring yourself here. Rest in, relaxing, just being. Take a breath in. As you exhale, feel yourself soften into your mattress. Make any last adjustments that your body needs to prepare yourself for a restful sleep.